Hello, welcome to OnPrintShop. In this video, we will learn about how to create predefined products. Let's talk about key features and benefits. These are ready to sell products such as business card holder, banner stand, backpacks, pens, etc. While creating a predefined product, admin will get three options, namely no, create a predefined product as a regular process, can later be added in the kit if required, buy with kit only. This states that the product created is a predefined product that cannot be bought separately. They will not be displayed at the product listing page. Yes, this will create a kit product. Let's have a look into the storefront. So as you can see over here, this is a predefined product, or we can say ready to sell product. So here we can see this is a product named as text, pal and clock. So here we have the price calculator where customer can choose the quantity and the additional option they can choose. And then they can directly click on continue checkout button to add this product into the shopping cart. Let's have a look into the backend to see how we can add a predefined product. So first of all, we need to go to the product, click on predefined product tab, and then we need to click on add button. So here we need to enter these details such as product name, product internal title, URL, and then we need to select the default category from the list, and we need to choose the price defining method from the list. And also there is a option to choose whether it's a kit product or not. So here we have, as mentioned, three options, whether it's no, buy with kit only, or yes. So if we can choose over here no, as this is a predefined product and not related to any kit. And then we need to select the price defining method, whether it's a fixed quantity price, range based with multiplication, or range based without multiplication. And after that, we need to make the status active. And this is all details which is similar like we add into the standard product. And next we have size active button. So if the product is based on size, so you can activate the size active button. And next we have stock management section where we can select none, only size, or size with product option. So if you want to enable the stock management for this particular product, you can choose any of these options. And here is the help written over here, which you can understand like how we can manage the stock. So later we can discuss in detail how we can manage the stock for this product. And then we have the user type. So you can choose the user type of this product, whether it's a default store, private store, or any specific store. And then we have home page button. If you want to show this product on the storefront home page, you can choose this button. And then we have free shipping button. So this will allow this product to buy as a free shipping. And then we have production days. So you can choose over here whether it's 1 day, 2 day, how many number of production days it's taking. And then we have product cutoff time. So here we can choose what is the cutoff time we want to set for this specific product. So you can choose any of the cutoff time from the list given over here. And then we need to see over here, let's say take an example of already created predefined products. So this is a predefined product which we have already created. And then we need to go to the pricing tab where we can add the pricing in the form of a range, like range based with multiplication. So here we can put a range, and then in front of that we can put the unit price. And next we have the additional options. So additional option you can add over here in the additional option section. And next we have the stock section. So let's understand how we can add this stock into this product. So you can first of all edit the combination over here, like depends on which additional options the combination you want to create. So let's suppose we are taking color and would you like to add a logo. So here these two options we are taking, and based on these we are creating the stock. So here we can add this stock over here by clicking on the plus button. So this will allow us to enter the stock. So suppose I'm just adding 100 stock, and we need to select add or credit button over here. And also there is an option to remove or debit the stock as well. So both you can do. And then if you want to put some comment, you can put over here and then click on save button. So here you can see there is 100 stock we have just credited into this product with this combination. Similarly, we can add more stock as per the combinations given over here. And also we can check the history of the stock by clicking on the history button. And we can also import this stock. If we want to import this stock in bulk, we can just click on the import stock button, and then we can choose the product into which we want to import the stock, and then click on next and import the Excel sheet. So here are all the steps. When you click on next, you can see all the variables available over here. So you can find find out what is the required field given into the red color, which is required, and you can add up this into the Excel sheet and just click on next button, and here you can upload the file. So this is how you can import stocks using the bulk stock import button. Next we have option to upload print ready file. So if you want to import any print ready file into this product, you can just click on the import button. So here you can click on the upload file button where you can upload any print ready file, and then we have setting where we can see general tab, product label, precision tab, and pricing tab. So in the general tab we have the basic settings over here, like preview image settings. If we want to restrict user for the quantity, can enable this, and we can set a default interval of the quantity as well. And here is the help section given where we can find out how we can add the quantity and interval. And then we have enable promotional text on the title. So this you can enable to show a promotional text on the title of the product, and here you can put the promotional text on the product. Suppose if you want to set like promotional 20% off, we can enable this, and this will be show on the product title. And these are the product badge patterns. So this we can choose like whether we want to show a ribbon, cross label, triangular, corner, or bust. So these you can choose from the list. And then similarly it's like visual price calculator. These are all options similar we have into the standard products. So if you see the video of standard product, so these are all the things similar into the predefined products as well, so that you can understand into the detailed video of standard products. And next we have the product label personalization. So this is you can rename the labels like size and quantity. And next we have the pricing section where you can set up cost over here, like you can set up a fixed cost for the product. And then we have like we have to choose how we want to apply the setup cost, whether it's always or exclude for reorder. And then we have combined quantity lookup for the price in cart. So this we can enable to see like how we can combine the quantity lookup for the pricing into the shopping cart. So like if customer is adding the same product 2-3 times, so it will take a combination of quantity, and accordingly it will take the pricing as per the price added into the backend. And then we have the product minimum price. So here we can set up a product minimum price, and then we have minimum price applicable on base price, subtotal, or subtotal per unit quantity. And then we have update price list. So if you want to show the updated prices on the price calculator, you can enable this button. And then we have start price from. So you can set a starting price to show on the product. So this is how we can set up a predefined product, and this is a ready to sell product. Customer can directly click on checkout button. So customer can click on continue and checkout button, and they can directly add this product into the shopping cart. So here we can see the product is added, and they can continue to check out with this product. So thank you for watching this video. In case of any further concern, feel free to connect with us.